Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have one math expression here. Maybe you solve this math expression like this. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 1 minus 3 gives us negative 2, and negative 2 times 3 gives us negative 6. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. As we know, division and multiplication are equally important, so we have to solve this math expression from left to right. So we have to solve this division first. Now 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and we have 1 minus 3 times 3. As we know, multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction, so we have to solve it first. 3 times 3 gives us 9, and 1 minus 9 gives us negative 8. The final answer is negative 8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.